Taylor's Coach Travel, a leading provider of coach services across the UK, have expanded their workshop capabilities through the installation of brake testing and lifting equipment from workshop equipment experts Totalkare. Totalkare's mobile brake tester will allow Taylor's Coach Travel to proactively address maintenance needs, reducing downtime and preventing costly breakdowns. The DVSA-approved mobile brake tester can be supplied with a range of features, giving a high level of customization to meet your specific workshop requirements. The T8DC cable-free mobile column lift is a versatile lifting solution, with each column capable of lifting up to 7,500 kilograms, usable in configurations of 4, 6 or 8 columns. Workshops across the UK benefit from a solution that can lift a wide variety of vehicles, from light commercial vans, buses and coaches, waste and recycling vehicles, heavy goods vehicles, heavy haulage vehicles, and more. In addition, Taylor's Coach Travel has also secured a comprehensive service contract, ensuring that all equipment remains in peak operating condition.